Hey, it's Lisa Erickson Group at Engel and Volker's, St. Pete and St. Pete Beach. What a cool house. Starting out with this door, which is a porthole. Come on, you have to take a look. Come on, come on. Hey, thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Listen, if you want more content like this, to see cool design, really innovative stuff that's going on here in St. Petersburg and Tampa Bay area, please follow, like, subscribe, DM me for comments. If you love this house or if you hated this house, let me know. If you want to buy it, definitely call me and DM me. Okay, listen, tune in next time. We've got another house coming out, which is very different, Balinese style. This is 851 16th Avenue South in St. Petersburg, Florida. See you next time.